Welcome to Winnermetrics Algorithm Factors, the winner's advantage. This is tutorial number 4. I call it Beat the Track. Let's find out how to control one of the elements of the expected value equation to beat the track. Let's return to the expected value equation. Let's remember the simple truth is your goal in betting horses is to make money. There is only one way to consistently win betting horses. You must control one of the 4 elements of the expected value equation. Dr. Thorpe conducted research on the casino game of blackjack, which led to the discovery that every card played had an impact on the probability of the player winning the next hand. Dr. Thorpe discovered that the probability of winning could be controlled to the point where skilled card counters had a real expected value of beating the dealer, because skilled card counters could only place a bet when they had a positive expected value. Horse bettors can also select to only place a bet when they have a positive expected value. Let me show you how it works. Let's assume we know for certain that horse number 1 will win 1 race in 5 attempts. That gives the horse fair value of 4-1. Now let's take a look at 2 examples. Let's take a look at the situation where horse number 1 has actual post-time odds of 2-1. If the horse wins at 2-1, then the bettor will receive $3 back for every dollar bet, representing a return of the $1 bet plus profit of $2. Let's take a look at the expected value equation in action. I have placed a 0.2 in the element for probability of winning, which is 20% or 1 win in 5 starts. I placed $2 in the amount 1 to represent the profit. I placed 0.8 in the element for probability of losing, which is 80% or 4 in 5 starts. I placed $1 in the amount lost. Our expected value in this scenario was minus 40 cents. That means if you make the same bet, betting a horse with optimal odds of 4-1, and actual post-time odds of only 2-1, then you will lose 40 cents for every dollar bet. That is a loss of 40% on every single similar bet. You will go broke very fast if you keep that up. Now, let's look at a reverse scenario. The optimal odds on horse number 1 are still 4-1. However, the actual post-time odds are double optimal odds, or 8-1. Let's fill in the expected value equation. The probability of winning is still the same 0.2. The amount 1 betting $1 is now $8. The probability of losing is the same 80%, and the amount lost is the same $1. Notice the only element that changed was amount 1 in the probability of winning. The moral of this story is to carefully select when you will place a bet. The decision is strictly up to you. You can decide to control the probability of winning. You can decide to only make a bet when you have an advantage. You control what bets you make. You control whether you win. Winnermetrics Algorithm Factors, the winner's advantage, gives you the one and only tool necessary to control the probability of winning. In the next tutorial, I will explain what algorithms are and how they work.